We're here at City of Fairfax Regional Library, part of the Fairfax County Public Library, to kick off Fairfax County Library joining in the 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten program. It's a nationwide program designed to encourage parents to read to their children. We keep count, and at big milestones, we have prizes to encourage the kids. It's designed for parents to encourage them on what they're doing, because studies have shown that parents reading to children is a wonderful way to prepare them for kindergarten later. Nobody's too young to sign up for 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten. Parents can read this same story over and over again. They could read Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus 50 times and color in 50 numbers. Children do that. They love repetition. And so we're just trying to give them credit for as many books as they read, even if it's the same book over and over. This has made me very happy today to see all the parents reading to their kids, and that's what this program is about. We're just thrilled, and we hope more and more parents sign up, and we can then cheer them on in their reading to their kids. For more information about the 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten, you can look at our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/library, or just come to your local library branch.